You ever start a project thinking it'll take an hour, and 3 YouTube tutorials later, you're still lost? Yeah, been there. That's why on NEIKO, we don't waste time. Just real tools and the smartest gadgets to upgrade your woodworking game. If you build, carve, or tinker, hit subscribe and stay sharp. Let's get into it. Ever tried clamping something odd-shaped and nothing works? This clamp fixes that. With just one hand, you get up to 150 pounds of clamping force, fast and solid. The grooved anti-mar pad holds your piece tight without damage, even at weird angles. And when you're done, quick release it instantly. No struggle, no slipping. It works with any half-inch, 14-degree dovetail groove. Whether you're building jigs, sleds, or working on a tricky project, this clamp just works. This Preciva right-angle ruler is your secret weapon. With laser-etched accuracy, 1/16 inch and 1/32 inch spacing, and built-in angle holes from 10 degrees to 90 degrees, you mark with pro-level precision, fast. The retractable ledge support keeps it rock steady on the edge, and the built-in scribing needle means no more scrambling for a pencil. It's not just a ruler, it's a layout tool, an angle finder, and a stabilizer in one. Every cut starts right with this. Setting up a solid workspace shouldn't take forever. The Bora Centipede CK9S unfolds in seconds. Seriously, just drop it and it's ready. With 9 flexible steel struts, it can handle heavy tools and big jobs without wobble. The P-tops protect your wood and blades, and with 2x4 brackets and clamps included, you're locked in and ready to cut, grind, or build. Lightweight, portable, and insanely strong. This isn't just a table, it's your job site MVP. Most push blocks just push. The MICROJIG GRR-RIPPER, it controls. With 3-directional force, it holds your wood down, in, and forward, so you get cleaner cuts and nearly zero kickback. That green grip? It's no gimmick. It clings to wood like glue, even dusty hardwoods or slick plastics. You can rip down to just 1/4 inch safely. Fully adjustable, built for table saws, routers, jointers, band saws, this thing makes dangerous cuts feel easy. If you're serious about safety and precision, this is the only push block you need. Sick of sanding discs that clog, overheat, or wear out fast? These 2-inch NYXCL Miroku quick-change sanding discs are next level. Made with premium aluminum oxide, they grind hard, without gumming up or overheating. Just twist and swap with the torque lock design, and you're back to grinding at up to 23,000 RPM. Perfect for welding seams, metal, wood, you name it. Long-lasting, fast-cutting, and built to handle serious work. Once you try these, you won't touch cheap discs again. This cordless beast cuts like a pro. The Alloyman Reciprocating Saw packs a 20-volt battery and hits 3,500 strokes per minute, tearing through wood, metal, or branches. No cords, no limits. Weighing just 3 pounds, it's easy to handle and built with vibration control for smooth, accurate cuts. Swap blades in seconds. No tools needed. Power, precision, and portability. This saw does it all. Ever tried drilling without a guide mark? It's a nightmare. That's where the NEIKO automatic center punch comes in. One firm push. Bam! You've got a precise mark on metal, wood, glass, or leather. No slipping, no guessing. Its spring-loaded steel tip delivers powerful, consistent impact, and the adjustable cap lets you control the force. It's compact, easy to grip, and built like a tank with chrome plating and S2 steel. For pros or DIYers, this tool makes sure your first hit is the right one. What if your workbench wasn't just a surface, but a full-on power tool? The Works Pegasus folds open in seconds, transforms from work table to sawhorse, and supports up to 1,000 pounds. It's only 30 pounds, so you can carry it under one arm, but it's built like a tank. With integrated clamps, you can grip weird-shaped pieces tight. Painting, sawing, repairing, this bench handles it all. This tool replaces half your toolbox. The ENERTWIST Oscillating Multi-Tool packs a 4.2 amp motor that slices through wood, tile, metal, even drywall and caulk, with zero hesitation. The 5-degree oscillation angle gives you smoother, faster cuts, up to 40% quicker than others. With 6 variable speeds, it adapts to every project. Swap blades in seconds with the tool list system, and it fits all major brand accessories. From demo to detail work, this thing rips. And yeah, it comes with 33 accessories and a bag. Total value. Tired of wobbly joints and guesswork? The Milescraft Joint Mate makes doweling insanely simple. Just clamp it, drill, and done. Perfect corner, edge, or surface joints with zero measuring. The hardened steel bushings give you straight, clean holes every time. It's self-centering, works on boards from 1/2 inch to 1 and 1/2 inches thick, and includes 3-bit sizes. Even the depth stops are built in to avoid over-drilling. One tool, one hand, endless precision. This jig's a must-have for flawless woodworking. These bits don't just cut, they melt through metal. The Pelham Tungsten Carbide Burr set is built for serious grinding, carving, deburring, or precision cutting on steel, wood, marble. With 10 double-cut burrs and a 1/4 inch shank, they fit most rotary tools and die grinders with ease. They last 8 times longer than HSS bits and stay razor-sharp under pressure. Whether you're a welder, sculptor, or weekend craftsman, this set turns your tool into a beast. Dropped a screw behind the workbench? No problem. This isn't just a flashlight. It's a magnetic grab tool with a 22-inch flexible neck. It lights up dark corners, bends into tight spaces, and snatches metal parts like a pro. The magnetic base even sticks to metal surfaces for hands-free lighting. From garages to crawl spaces, this thing's a total game-changer. Hinge installation used to mean slow measuring, messy drilling, and dust everywhere. Until this. The going-make all-metal Hinge Jig drills perfect 35mm holes with surgical precision. Built-in bearings glide smooth. A quick clamp locks it down fast. And that dust? Gone. Thanks to a vacuum adapter that keeps your workspace clean. Whether you're a DIYer or pro, this jig turns cabinet work into child's play. You ever try gluing joints and end up with a sticky mess or uneven lines? The Milescraft GlueMate 450 fixes that. It holds 15 ounces of glue, has a double-chamber design that gives you precise flow, and works at any angle, even upside down. Need detail? Use the precision dowel tip. Spreading wide? Snap on the biscuit tip. No drips, no waste. Just clean, controlled glue every time. Whether you're a pro or just weekend DIYing, this bottle makes gluing actually fun. Chopping thick branches with a pocket-sized saw, the REXBETI Folding Saw makes it real. With an 11-inch SK5 steel blade and triple-cut teeth, it rips through 6 to 7-inch limbs like butter, wood, plastic, and even tough materials. The 7 TPI staggered teeth stay razor-sharp, and the rubberized grip holds steady in any weather. Lightweight, foldable, and tough as nails, this is your go-to for bushcraft, backyard, or bug-out. Drill bits usually wear out fast. Not this one. The Klein Tools Step Drill Bit is coated with aluminum titanium nitride, making it 10 times more durable than standard bits. It tears through steel, wood, plastic, and aluminum like butter. No slipping, no stalling. With a quick-release hex shank, it locks in tight and works with both drills and impact drivers. Dual spiral flutes pull chips out fast for clean, precise holes, every single time. Scraping paint off moldings is usually a nightmare until you try this. The All-Way Contour Scraper Set comes with 6 precision stainless steel blades, each shaped for a specific curve, edge, or molding. From tight corners to round curtain rods, this kit handles it all. The soft grip handle feels great, and there's even a built-in sharpener in the handle, so your blades stay razor sharp. Swap blades in seconds, store them in the included case, and get pro-level results without wrecking the wood. Painting one side, waiting hours to dry, flipping, then repeating. That's old school. These KATA painting pyramid stands flip the game. Just place your canvas, cabinet door, or project on the mini cones and paint all sides at once. No smudges, no drying delays. The lockable base keeps it stable, supports up to 250 pounds, and they stack up neatly when you're done. Whether you're pouring acrylics or staining furniture, this tool saves time, keeps your work clean, and makes you look like a pro. Liked that tool? There's more where that came from. Drop a like, tell us your favorite gadget in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to NYXCL. Your next project starts here.